Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the host. Ensure a domain-joined Windows server with current updates so group policy and Kerberos work reliably. Once done, import a public SSL certificate as a PFX so clients trust the gateway. Make sure the private key is exportable. Next, configure a static IP and open TCP 443 on your perimeter firewall. This is the visible channel clients use. Finally, create a service account in AD for the gateway to use, so permissions are explicit and auditable. You install the Remote Desktop Services role and include the RD Gateway and Connection Broker features. This ties external access to internal session management. Once installed, bind your imported SSL certificate to the RD Gateway so TLS encrypts client connections. Then create a connection authorization policy and resource authorization policy. CAP authenticates users, RAP controls which internal hosts and ports they can reach. Make sure policies reference specific AD groups and FQDN to reduce. You finish by configuring client RDP settings. Enter the RD Gateway FQDN, choose the correct authentication method, and save credentials if policy allows. Then test from an external network. Verify TLS negotiation, user authentication, and session launch to an internal host. If something breaks, start troubleshooting in this order: RD Gateway and System Event Logs, Firewall/NAT rules for TCP 443, Certificate Chain Trust on the Client, and finally CAP/RAP mismatches or AD group membership. Fix the first failing item and retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.